Hazrat Qais has reported from Hazrat Khabbab bin Arad. We complained Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he was reclining over his rib around in the shade of the Kaaba. We submitted, why don't you seek help for us? Why don't you pray for us? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the people prior to you were seized, and after digging a ditch in the earth, they were made sit in that ditch. Then a saw would be placed on their heads and split him into two halves. Moreover, their flesh and bones were lacerated with the iron combs. But even this maltreatment would not deflect him from the religion. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, this religion will definitely get completed, and even a traveler will travel from Sana to Hazarmaut, fearing none saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nor a wolf regarding his sheep, but you are doing haste. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6943.